It's your birthday. Yes, it is. It's your birthday. Yes, it is. It's your birthday. So happy birthday to you.
Hi, today's my birthday party.
How old are you?
8.
And where are we?
Randall Oaks.
That's Nathan's friend. What's his name? Frankie. They do this every time they get together. Grandma has her own tablet at her house, and this is what Lily does. Sits by her. They play on the tablet together. Got any left here? Put his hand so she can picture him eating out of hand.
You are Mimi. That's a baby.
Let's go. A deer.
Yeah.
Here, let's feed the deer over here.
Oh, I ate it all. There's more.
You need the sticks. Just close your eyes, okay? We're gonna do this now. Just close your eyes.
No.
Close your eyes. Stay sitting this way. I don't want you to see. It's a surprise. No, stay here. Hey, 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 hey. I won't give it to you.
You see it?
No, we're all gonna be surprised, just like you.
Lily, stop.
Don't look, Cindy. We're
I'm
both
gonna
gonna be
squeeze your head.
surprised.
Ready? You're getting squeezed. Happy birthday to you.
Careful, gentle.
It's mine.
Hey, don't drop it. Put it down. Put it down on the ground. That's a guinea pig, isn't it? No, it's a bunny.
It's a dwarf bunny.
No.
Untied.
It's a bunny, Fred.
You can do whatever you want with this one.
Oh, you can't let it go out. You gotta support its legs, Lily. Here, yeah, there you go.
Hey.
It's a boy.
What are you gonna name it? What are you gonna
Yeah,
name
it's a boy.
it? Touch him, touch him.
I mean, why does Lily have a bunny?
Yes.
Be careful, be nice. Because Lily got a bunny for her birthday. What are you doing? Here.
Get me? Get it. The name's
Here, Nathan, come take the bunny. No, not yet, not yet. Don't poke him. His name's Mr. Fluffers. Say Mr. Fluffers. Mr. Fluffers? Is this really happening, Eli? You just drove your car across Mr. Fluffers.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Eli. I mean, Lily. Sorry, Lily.
Alright, it's done. This is low.
Won't kiss.
Blow it out. Oh.
I can't say that won't happen again.
You don't need to follow me.
I'm sure I'll be good.
Someone's gonna get
Go
hurt.
first. It's her birthday. Watch out. Almost got hit. That's how you do it. Yeah.
Blindfold them, spin around like 7 times.
Okay.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I know, but you don't. You have to be over there by your dad.
Hit it, Lily!
Watch out, Eli. Get over here. Alright, it's Eli's turn.
It's my turn, Hala! Hala, it's my
Alright.
Wait.
He get angry.
Brady's gonna hit it.
Oh, oh.
Alright, next one. Oh! Dad! The girls never got a chance.
There's no fun. Where did you get the pin right? It fell apart too easy. None of it's for you.
Keep the head.
Took all the candy was for her.
I got the
A mouse?
mouse.
There's a mouse in there?
There's a bird.
I think it's a guinea pig in the dog.
Do you think there's a guinea pig in there?
And a dog.
And the dog.
No, you don't need it. Come here.
You don't need
Lily, you don't need him.
it. Put it back, Lily.
Thank you.
No, you're not. Hey. Oh, no. Here.
Let him help you. He's your brother.
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
It's a horse.
There's your horse.
That's so cool.
She's been wanting a horse.
For years.
Just rip the bag, Nathan.
Oh, wow, Grandma. Don't push his head. You're so mean.
She's got something to cuddle up.
Pick it up.
It's huge.
Is it a stuffed animal? Or is it like something she can actually like sit on? Oh no, she can sit on it.
I didn't know what it was. I was just like, I tried to look to see what it was.
Thank you. You got the other thing I wanted?
Pencil fish.
And the other thing I
All matches.
And the other thing I wanted?
Pink.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
that was the tail.
It's your birthday. Yes, it is. It's your birthday. Yes, it is.
That
It's
mean
your
mug.
birthday. So happy birthday to you.